A lot of growers want to know how we make Actagro Organic Acids, the industry's best soil and plant health product. First, we need leonardite, a substance composed of millions of years of decayed plant and animal matter. It comes to us in huge bags, goes into our reactors, and brews until the purest leonardite extraction is ready. Most people dispose of the solids and sell the liquid, but the solids contain the most active part, the human component. So through our proprietary process and the power of science, we're able to keep the solid human component in the liquid for use in many different formulations. The not-so-useful solids still have to be separated out from the liquid, so we use centrifuges to speed up that process. It would be like strapping a mule to a grinding mill and then strapping rockets to the mule. The extreme forces produced by the spinning action separate the liquids and solids. Now that the Actagro Organic Acids are ready, they can be reacted under very tightly controlled conditions with other ingredients, depending on the intended use. We can react them with macronutrients, micronutrients, or our proprietary carbohydrates, depending on the application of the final product on the farm. All of our products are powered by the Actagro Organic Acid technology. Think of a Swiss Army knife. Sleek design, lots of uses. We rely on extensive lab and field testing to make sure that our products don't fail under extreme heat or extreme cold. It's hard on the research team, but our growers are worth it. We also run replicated field research trials and greenhouse testing where we can measure the results that matter most: plant performance and crop yields. That's why we're so confident that using Actagro Organic Acids will drive crop productivity in any farm where they're used, because we know the science behind them and have seen the results firsthand. Look for products powered by Actagro Organic Acids in your area and find us on the web at lovelandproducts.com.